Well, I found this old Hoover convertible on the side of the road the other day, and the thing's pretty much immaculate. It's hardly ever been used. It's like it's got the original bag in it. The only thing wrong with it, the belt had perished and broke. So I put a new belt on it and it works like brand new. Awesome. Here's underneath it. It's spotless. Even the brush head's like pretty much perfect. All the bearings in the motor are all new, and the thing just sounds brand new when it runs. So, yeah, quite nice. If I take the cover off, you can even see how clean it is under there. Nice. Very, very nice indeed. And there's the label. I just thought I'd do a small demonstration vacuum here. Thing works beautifully.